Miss Laura,
Pen, and the many teddies here for today.
for a mindful minute. Today we're going to make
rainsticks.
What you will need is an empty cardboard container from a paper towel or a smaller one from a toilet paper roll. You will also need the filling. What's in our filling?
Sesame seeds.
Sesame seeds, rice, and chia seeds. You can also put beans in there as well, and you want to fill it about halfway. And for the tops, we today used a
sock.
We cut the very top of the sock off to cover. Step number 1.
Put only one of the socks on the paper towel roll.
And we're going to use a rubber band to secure it.
So put it and then kind of redo it.
So it's nice and secure. Then we're going to flip it over and we're going to pour in the mix. So we have a little mixing cup here that we put it in, and then we're slowly going to pour. Here, I want to stand up and I'll hold it. Pour the rest in. Perfect. Good job. Step number 3.
Put the other sock top on the paper towel roll, and then have a rubber band. Put it on, kind of reset it. Make sure you twist it.
Then the final step is to decorate. Pen, show how you decorated yours. What did you put on yours?
So I put a ribbon on mine, and I put some stickers on mine.
You can put a ribbon, a rope, and then you can decorate it with stickers, or you can even color it. Then when you're all done, it will look like this. How can we use the rain stick?
So you can either do this, or tap it like this, or shake it back and forth.
You can breathe in and exhale, turn it. Inhale, exhale.
Kind of like a wave.
Sound like